express the 2 plus 3i whole square upon 2 plus I in the form of a plus ib. Now write the given expression 2 plus 3i, that of square, upon 2 plus I. We have to express this expression in the form of a plus ib. First, reduce this expression or simplify, that is equal to, that means first expand 2 plus 3i whole square as a plus b whole square formula. 2 square plus 2 into ab, a means 2, b means 3i, plus 3i whole square upon 2 plus I. That is equal to 2 square means 4, 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12i, plus 12i, plus 3i whole square, 9i square, by 2 plus I. That is equal to 4 plus 12i minus 9 by 2 plus, see here how minus 9. We know that I is equal to root over minus 1. I is imaginary number. I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. Now simplify more. 4 minus 9 minus 5 plus 12i by 2 plus I. Now to express the last expression in the form of a plus ib, we have to rationalize the denominator 2 plus I. To rationalize the denominator, generally multiplied by complex conjugate of the complex number which will be rationalized. So, complex conjugate of 2 plus I is 2 minus I. Just simply replace I by minus I. Therefore, multiplying numerator and denominator by complex conjugate of this, that means 2 minus I. So, writing this minus 5 plus 12i into 2 minus I by 2 plus I into 2 minus I. Now multiplying minus 2 plus 12i by 2, so minus 10 plus 12i, 12 into 2 I minus I minus 5 plus 5 I minus 12i into I minus 12 I square. This is a plus b into a minus b, that means 2 square minus I square. Now again simplify this. See, I square is equal to minus 1. Here we have done this. Minus 1 into 12 plus 12 plus 12 minus 10. Finally 2. 12 into 2, 24i minus 5i. 24y and minus 5y, that will be plus 19i. 2 square means 4, I square means minus 1, and that of minus plus 1. So next step, we have to write 2 plus 19i by 4 plus 1 5. So if we write this in the form of a plus b, 2 by 5 plus 19 by 5i. So a plus ib form of the given expression is, so a plus ib form of 2 plus 3i that of square by 2 plus I is 2 by 5 plus 19 by 5 I, where a समान 2 by 5 and b समान 19 by 5. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed this channel, you should subscribe this channel for getting the notification of same type of videos. If you are benefited by watching this video, you may share your friends. Again, thank you all.